Buzzing entertainer attacked and killed in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 7 TV News Report and will be Welcome to Link 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. The police are investigating the death of an artist, Kevin Hill, otherwise called Cashmere, who was shot and killed by persons unknown to him close to Salt River in Clarendon on Thursday. The Corporate Communication Unit has since confirmed the shooting. Reports are that Hill was parked alongside a roadway in Salt River Main Road with friends when two gunmen walked up to the group and opened fire. The men then fled the area. The injured victims were rushed to hospital where Hill was pronounced dead. Cashmere is best known for his song Chopper Lifestyle, Banga, and Pretty Little Freak. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.